In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ServiceControl maintenance mode and to remove all indexes of the embedded RavenDB service. So the guidance on how to start maintenance mode is available on this URL. I'll show you what to do. So you launch the ServiceControl management utility. Then go to one of the instances that you would like to launch administrative modes, like for example the second instance, particular service control. You go to the wrench icon, then select Start Maintenance Mode, select I want to proceed, then right click the RavenDB Management Studio link, select Copy to Clipboard, open your favorite browser, and now copy and paste the URL. Now we have full access to the embedded RavenDB service, and I'm interested in going to looking at the indexes. So there's this drop down icon here where we can select indexes, and then we can select to delete all indexes here. We select this, say yep, delete, and it has now successfully deleted all indexes. If we now leave administrative mode, maintenance mode, and then stop it like this, go back, start it again, startup could take a little bit longer, but what will happen in the background is that all RavenDB indexes will be recreated automatically by the ServiceControl instance. So this might help in situations where you have a corrupt RavenDB indexes and that needs to be rebuilt. Hope this was useful for you. If you have any questions, please contact us by email or on our forum.